Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on Paxful. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Paxful app on your phone. Now right away you will find two options, including sign in and sign up. Now tap on this option of sign up. Simply have to enter your email, then tap on next. Now simply create yourself a password, then re-enter your password, then tap on next. Now go ahead and solve this puzzle for the verification. Don't allow for me. We're gonna go ahead, check out our email, whether we have received the verification email or not. There we go, we have received it. Copy the code, go back, and once you're done adding the code, you're gonna enter your number. Make sure to check your country code as well. Tap on next. Simply wait till you get a text message with the code. Once you're done, you will be able to simply now create yourself a PIN, reconfirm, and there we go. We can tap on let's start, and so that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.